Imagine a scenario. It's your regular day and you logged in your computer and you open the project folder and boom, your files are missing, gone, it's deleted, erased from existence. And of course, everyone swears, I didn't touch anything. Now, you are the one stuck playing digital detective. The question is, who deleted the file? And better yet, how do I prove it? First thing first, if file auditing wasn't enabled, you are out of luck. No logs means no trail. It's like trying to catch the thief without security cameras. So, as a first step, we need to open our Power Tools, which is PowerShell. We can open PowerShell with Windows R key, then type PowerShell. Here I need to open it as an administrator, so I will press Ctrl Shift then Enter. Here I open PowerShell as administrator. Now I need to enable file auditing logs, so for that I need to enter this command. Here what it will do, it will enable file auditing, both successful and failure. But it is not enough. You need to enable auditing in access control list as well. If you right click on the folder that you need to monitor and go to properties, then security, then advanced security, here you can see three options. We will not talk about effective access now. We will talk about permissions and auditing. Here the permissions are coming under DACL, which means discretionary access control list. This will determine what kind of access a user have on these folders. And system access control list, which is SACL. Here we need to enable SACL for auditing purpose. What we will do, we will add everyone, because we need to monitor everyone what they are doing, access the full control. What it will do? Actually, here if I am giving full control doesn't means everyone can access this folder. No. What it is actually doing is simple. It will monitor everyone's actions on this folder. That means if they access this folder, it will monitor. If they modify this folder, it will monitor. If they list the folder content, it will monitor. It will audit. That will be the correct word. So we need to enable this. Once we enable, we can click apply and make sure to tick this one, so it will replicate over child object as well. Then I will click OK. For the testing, I will create one file in another folder as well. Here I will create one folder called test delete, and I will create new text document which is testing. Now I will delete both file and folder for testing. I will select all, then I will shift delete. Now the files are gone. Let's see how we can find who deleted it. Here we have two mechanisms. First we can go to event viewer, then under Windows log go to security, then we will filter this by 4663. Here you can see everything are logged. Here you can see who tried to access. The account name is Technemia. We will verify this. Here you can see it's a user Technemia. They use the process name Explorer. Then what action they perform, they read it, the data, and you will see the delete as well. I will drag this little for visibility. Here you can see the accesses as delete, then account domain and the file object as testing.txt, and here it will show the account name as Technemia. This is for the text file, and it will show for the folder here, and also the delete, and it will show other access as well, like I created. Yeah, see here I write the data, because as before, if you are creating a new document, it will show as a new text document. So we renamed it, so it's showing. Since we are renaming, it will show it as a deleted, and it will create for another write data event logs like that. Now we will see how we can fetch the same data using PowerShell. You can get the same event using PowerShell by typing this command. Then I will select all the properties using select star It will fetch all the details. Here you can see in the messages. Here I access the object. The access type was delete. Then the file was testing.txt. Then the another file, another folder is test delete folder, or also delete. And it will show the username as account name and other details as well. Now you know who deleted it, when they did it, and maybe even why. You're not just an admin anymore, you're an investigator. PowerShell isn't just a tool, it's your badge. And just like that, with one simple PowerShell command, you pulled back the curtain on who deleted what and when. No more guessing, no more finger pointing, just cold hard logs. So next time a file disappears and everyone claims innocence, don't stress, open PowerShell, run the commands as I shown. It will give you all the data that is required. But make sure you need to enable the auditing first using right-clicking on the properties, then security, then advanced, go to auditing, and you know what you need to do. If this helped you catch a file thief or just made your life easier, give it a like and subscribe. More PowerShell tips, less drama coming your way.